This is Steve again with Born Again Torinos. I thought you might want to see this. Looks like a prickly porcupine here. And this is still has this many studs welded to it, and I've already removed that many studs. So that's how much pulling we've been doing. I want you to see the inside of this. Hopefully it's not too dark. There's the girder, the I-beam that goes across all the way across the door that you cannot get to this. I use these two handy little holes to get in and had to go in underneath. I don't know if you can see this at all. Try and see the angles here. The door has a natural convex curve to it. It's concave and then convex all the way to the seam, which again concave again down here. So this has to have a gradual curve to it all the way, which before it was concave by an 1/8 inch easily. This area here was that scale rusty area, and you can see the holes that he drilled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 9 holes. But I'm really happy with how that's coming out. I did manage to Wang Chung my finger, hammering on the inside. That was great. Glenn, you owe me a pint of blood. Yeah, that looks really good now. Okay, it'll be finishing touches on it now. A little more dollying, and go from there. That's it. This has been Steve with Born Again Torinos, and thank you for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe, please. Thanks. Bye.